अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
28th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Mujaddid Al-Fisani, Sheikh Ahmad Faruqi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Imam Mujaddid Al-Fisani, Abul Barakat, Sheikh Ahmad Faruqi, Naqshbandi Sarhandi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born on the 14th of Shawwal al-Mukarram in 971 Hijri, corresponding to the 5th of June 1564 AC in Hind. His father granted him the honor with bay'at, that is, the spiritual allegiance to him, and khilafat, spiritual vice-regency in Silsila Qadriya. After his father's death, he paid a visit to Hazrat Khaja Muhammad Baqi Billah, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, and had the honor of taking bay'at in Silsila in Naqshbandiya. Therefore, he received high levels in the spiritual world of mysticism. The scholars and teachers of his time had their demand of knowledge fulfilled by virtue of his spiritual speeches and teachings. Maktubat Imam Rabbani is one of his excellent writings and is a great gift for the Ummah. This work contains an unlimited treasure of the knowledge of Sharia and Tariqah, of Ma'rifah, that is, awareness and recognition of Allah Azza wa Jal, and Haqiqah, knowledge of facts and reality, and is therefore an unmatched performance in the Islamic world. He gave the people the true message and awareness of Islam. The credit of making efforts in propagating Islam and its signs and traditions goes to him. He laid the foundation for the building of piety and purity for hundreds of years. Fiqh Hanafi, that is the Hanafi faculty of fiqh, jurisprudence, was declared the constituent of state law through his selfless efforts. The tendency of the Mughal kings towards Islam and devotion to the pious ones is one of his accomplishments. Mujaddid Al-Fisani, Abul Barakat, Sheikh Ahmad Faruqi, Naqshbandi Sarhandi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on the 28th of Safar al-Muzaffar, 1034 AH, corresponding to the 26th of November 1624. His holy shrine is situated in Sarhand Sharif, Eastern Punjab, Hind, which is being showered upon with blessings and refulgence. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
खुदा का खास इनाम है ये